The potential risk of a laundry fire is a serious concern for any laundry manager. According to the National Fire Protection Agency, dryers account for over 4,000 non-home structure fires and $45 million in damage. The combination of flammable materials, potential oil and chemical residue, plus the heat of a dryer make the laundry itself the source of many of these fires. Traditional fire suppression systems respond by dousing the load with a lot of water. Although this works, it comes with the risk of permanent damage to the equipment and costly repairs due to flooding. That is until now. Introducing Dexter Laundry's multi-level fire response system. This system will monitor the temperature inside the dryer drum even long after the cycle is complete. If an unexpected increase in temperature occurs, the fire response system will automatically activate to control the fire and preserve the equipment. All Dexter O-Series dryers come standard with our Level 1 fire response system that operates without water. 2 additional levels of protection are available on our water-equipped models.
Dexter's new fire response system is new and it's unique. No one else in the industry has something like it. The Level 1 system, which just is amazing, it's built naturally into the controls. This is basically thermistors and temperature probes that are going to watch the temperatures that are taking place inside the existing load. And if the differential becomes too significant, it will be an indication that there is a problem of combustion or a fire. And you'll see it sound an alarm on the physical display. And if it's a reversing model, we shut off the air and the tumbler will start to tumble. And that causes a snuffing or basically a suffocation effect. And the idea is to stop the flames from expanding and getting more catastrophic.
The O-Series controls even offer an output that can be connected to an external alarm.
And allows the owner or even the fire department time to respond based on the alarm or the external alarm condition. The Level 2 spray system kind of takes off where Level 1 finishes. And as the product starts to tumble, it will also spray or spritz a certain amount of water to put out the fire in the product. It's really a controlled amount based on the size of the product. And the goal is to not flood the product with a whole bunch of water. You do have the security of that backup of the Level 3 having the thermal disc that is just a temperature activated device. If the fire is really out of control, it will open regardless of what the control is doing and put out the fire like a traditional fire suppression system on a dryer. This time it's intended to really put out whatever fire's there. So it's going to douse the load. And then once the temperature drops low enough, that thermal disc is going to shut off.
This multi-level fire response system is one example of Dexter Laundry's commitment to the quality and safety of our products. For 125 years, we've been helping people and businesses process laundry faster and more efficiently. Our products are made in the USA and are designed to show up for work even in the harshest laundry environments. Plus, every Dexter machine is backed with an industry-leading warranty and lifetime technical support, so you can be confident in your investment. Contact your local Dexter authorized distributor or visit dexter.com to learn more.